Good day, everyone. My name is Formentera Ira Lorraine, and I will be reciting the Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. As a law enforcement officer, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to save to safeguard lives and property, to protect the innocent against deception, the weak against oppression or intimidation, and the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsoiled as an example to all, maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn or ridicule, develop self-restraint, and be constantly mindful of others, honest in thought and deed, and both in my personal and official life, I will be exemplary, obeying the laws of the land and the regulations of my department. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential nature, or that is confided to me in my official capacity, will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary for the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudice, or animosities or friendship to influence my decision. With the compromise or of crime, with the relentless prosecution of criminals, I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor, malice, or ill will, never employing necessary force or violence, and never accepting gratuities. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith, and I accept it as a public trust to be held so long as I am true to the other police service. I will constantly strive to achieve these objectives and ideals, dictating myself before God to my chosen profession, law enforcement.